In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo watermark in PowerPoint step by step so your branding appears on every slide automatically. This is a simple trick that can make your presentations look more professional, more consistent, and much more polished. Whether you're creating business slides, training decks, school presentations, or content for your brand, this method saves time because you only have to add the logo once. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the View tab at the top. From there, click on Slide Master. This is the area where you can make changes that apply across multiple slides at once, which is exactly what we want for a watermark. Once Slide Master opens, look for the top master slide in the left panel and select it. This top slide controls the overall layout and design for the presentation, so anything you place here will usually show up on all your slides. Next, go to the Insert tab and click Pictures. Then choose the logo file from your computer and insert it into the Slide Master. After the logo appears, click on it and start resizing it. For a watermark effect, you usually want the logo to be smaller and less distracting, so make it fit neatly in a corner or along the bottom of the slide. You can place it in the top right, top left, bottom right, or bottom left, depending on your layout and branding style. Once the logo is positioned, go to Picture Format and look for the transparency option. If your version of PowerPoint has transparency controls, use them to make the logo lighter and more subtle. If not, you can still create a soft watermark effect by adjusting the color, brightness, or contrast so it doesn't overpower the slide content. The goal is for the logo to be visible, but not so strong that it competes with your text or visuals. After you've resized and lightened the logo, take a moment to make sure it looks clean and consistent on the master slide. If needed, drag it slightly so it lines up properly with the edges of the slide. A good watermark should feel intentional, balanced, and professional. When you're happy with how it looks, click Close Master View to return to your normal presentation. Now you'll see that your logo watermark appears on all of the slides that use that master layout. That means every new slide you add will automatically carry the branding without you having to insert the logo manually again and again. This is especially useful if you want a consistent company look, a branded training deck, or a subtle identity mark across your presentation. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a logo watermark in PowerPoint using Slide Master. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next PowerPoint tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.